Welcome to Packard-Ideal Shutter Company. This is a number 5 Packard shutter. It's a 3.5 inch, but it's a number 5, so it's on the larger side of the sizes we make, but it works perfect for showing you what a number 5 is and what they do. The number 5 is, I have a gnat. Anyways, number 5 is the most basic shutter that we make. It's ideal for like wet plate photography or any application where you need to keep the shutter open for an extended period of time, because it's designed to be an open and shut time mode shutter. We attach the bulb right here, and this is our bulb, and if you put your thumb over the hole, squeeze it, it opens. You can take your thumb off the hole, release the bulb, and it will stay that way. It'll do that, or if you leave it vertically, it'll stay open as long as you need it to stay open. And then you can squeeze the bulb, put your thumb over the hole, and it closes. So it's not designed for, fractional second exposures. It's designed for, I need it open for a long time, and then I gotta close it. So, or a really long time, where you're gonna leave it open for minutes, hours, however long, and then close it again. That's what it's designed for, wet plate. If you're doing fancy stuff like that, which I want to do someday but haven't yet, that's what you need. You don't need an instantaneous mode. You're not using flash. You don't need to sync it. You just need a basic shutter. And it's another thing I wanted to talk about a little bit was the bulb. And this is as good a place as any to do that. Some people, and I'm one of them, when I first encountered this, I was kind of timid with the bulb. I was, I'd squeeze it slow and couldn't quite figure out the, when do I put this on? We do give you this plug that if you don't want to use your thumb on it, you can, plug the bulb or plug the hole, and it does that. But, back I was being timid with it, and, you squeeze slow and nothing happens, and maybe you squeeze and you let it, and now I'm stuck, and yeah. So the way you fix all that is you just be a little bit forceful with it. You're not going to hurt the shutter by squeezing too hard. So when you get one of these, the first time you do it, just play with it for like maybe 5 minutes. Play with how fast, how hard you got to squeeze this bulb. And if you're using a non-Packard bulb, if you get a bulb like off an old blood pressure kit or anything else that uses one of these, you're probably going to find that it doesn't work very well, because these are thick, heavy rubber bulbs, and you need that when you close it. You need that stiff rubber to expand itself to close your shutter. And when you're using like a blood pressure bulb, they're designed only to inflate, and when you let go of them, they don't generate enough back pressure to pull the shutter closed. So that's why they don't work as well, But these bulbs are good, heavy bulbs. They've got a lot of back pressure. And if you just play with it a little bit, you'll learn, you'll get the hang of it. It only takes a couple of minutes. Just don't be scared of it. So anyways, that's a number 5 with the bulb. Pretty basic. Does what it needs to do, does what you need it to do, and good and reliable. Anyways, contact information's at the end. If you have any questions, comments, nifty cameras you want to talk about, email me, give me a call, whatever. Talk to you later.